My Auto Store, quality recycled OEM auto parts. Today is day 2 of AASP NJ's Northeast Automotive Services Show. Stop by booth 300 to say hello and grab some free My Auto Store merch. This conference is located at the Meadowlands Exposition Center in Secaucus, New Jersey. Today's conference ends at 5 p.m. If you can't make it today, then stop by tomorrow anytime between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. If you're currently there, then check us out at booth 300. My Auto Store is the largest independent auto recycler in the U.S. and takes pride in selling quality recycled OEM auto parts. My Auto Store has over 200,000 parts in stock, offers free U.S. continental shipping, and all of our auto parts come with a standard 6-month warranty. Visit myautostore.com or speak to one of our sales reps today.